Raymer, and another round of applause to all of those award recipients. One other thing in our community we want to give recognition to, if you look in your program, we have the names of Shawnee State University employees who are celebrating milestones, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 years plus, and we're not going to read everyone's name, but I do want to share recognition and sincere appreciation for folks achieving those milestones. I will recognize a group of more senior anniversaries. If you will indulge me, I'd like to recognize April Barnett, James Bays, Gene Burns, Matthew Crawford, Vicki Crawford, Leanne Denning, Robert Klein, Clifford Chippereau, Beth Rockwell, Sherry Scott, Deborah Atkinson, Kenneth Cornwell, Steve O'Rourke, Lori Perry, Christine Raber, Deborah Schwamberger, Chris Smith, Daniel White, and Mark Mirabello. We can have a round of applause for all those folks. Dr. Mirabello, he is retiring this year. He finished his last semester, and so we'll have some opportunities to recognize Dr. Mirabello here in the weeks and months to come. But we wish him the best and thank him for a remarkable career as faculty member at Shawnee State University. All right, now to close, the Portsmouth West Choir will perform the singing of our alma mater.